All right, my Skyline tribe. Today we have some cool stuff to show you. So this is the floor mat that my R33 GTR came with. And it has seen some better days. We got some discoloration here. It's kind of grayish. I'm not a fan of gray. I just never have. I do like this checkered pattern, right? But I went online and I bought a set of Nismo floor mats. I got the certificate that says this is a real floor mat. I mean, hey, it's better knowing you got the real one, right? And here it is, guys. This is the real deal. I like black, I like it. And underneath here is like a Nismo emblem. We haven't removed this, but in this video, we're gonna be doing a very simple installation. Hopefully no tools required besides these weapons of mass destruction, right? But anyways, we're gonna be showing you this, how this look, and then we're gonna be installing this bad boy and going from there. All right, so this is what we were dealing with. This is the original floor mat. And as you can tell, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it kind of looks a little old, so. All right, look at the new floor mat. But we wanted to wait for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and take off that little label cover because our new Nismo ones are gonna look amazing. We wanna do this with you guys. Oh yeah. And look at that. That's what I'm talking about. When you look at this, even when you're looking at it from far back where people are gonna be looking at the car when you show it, open the door, this looks good. All right, and we got the passenger side done and that looks good. New carpet, pretty much. It looks fresh. So the kit that we bought also comes with the floor mats in the back and also where that hump is, where the tunnel or transmission tunnel or whatever. But before you guys go, check this thing out. So my buddy Deal, one of the local subscribers and one of my buddies here in town, he gave me this and he wanted me to give this away to one of the viewers on our channel. And it's this really cool Nissan Fairlady Z, and it is really neat. All right, guys, thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. You guys take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.